Rose has recently moved to a new house which has a 3-digit number, and the sum of this number and its 3 individual digits is 429. What is the product of the 3 digits which make up the house number? Now, what this means is there is a 3-digit number given, and let us say, suppose the 3-digit number is written as x, y, z. So these are the digits of the number. Now we can also write this as x being the digit in the hundreds place, y being the digit in the tens place, and z being the digit in the ones place. So we can write this as 100x plus 10y plus z. We can also write this as that. So what now they are telling us is the sum of this number and its 3 individual digits. Now the sum of this number and its 3 individual digits. So the number is xyz and plus the 3 individual digits is x plus y plus z. Now instead of writing it as xyz, I'm going to write it as 100x plus 10y plus z. So that is the number, and this added to plus the sum of its digits, individual digits, that is x plus y plus z, and that equals 429. Now I can write this as now 100x and x, and add them together. I get 101x plus 11y plus 2z equals 429. Now we have to find out what x, y, and z are. So there are some things we already know, that for this x has to be a multiple of 101, y is a multiple of 11, z is a multiple of 2. Now, how do I get to 429? So what I can try out is, if 101 times 1 is 101, 101 times 2 is 202, times 3, 303, and 101 times 4 is 404. Now x could be any one of these, 1, 2, 3, or 4. Of course, then y also, we have to check for y and z if they satisfy those conditions. And so if I do for y, so y has to be, so if it depends on what x is really, because x is a multiple of 101, which is quite big. So if I say that x is 4, so if x was 4, then my 101 times 4 is 404. So in the hundreds place, we will write 404 plus 11 times we have y. So what can it be? So 11 times 2 is 22. If that's the case, then wait, let me subtract 429 minus 404, we get 5, we get 25. So if 11 times 2 is 22, 22 plus 3 is 25, and 3 is not a multiple of 2, so probably it's not 2. It is probably 11 times 1, 11. If I stick to that, then I get 25 minus 11 is 4 and 1 14, and 2 times 7 is 14. So I can write this as 11 times 1 plus 2 times 7, and that is 429. So this means um, the digits are, so this is 4, so x is 4 and y is 1 and z is 7. So the number is 417. So this is a 3-digit number, 417. So the product of the 3 digits which make up the number would be 4 times 1 times 7, and that is 28. That's the answer. Now you could approach this question in a different way, but I found this method easy, and it works. So that's it really.